Good afternoon. This is Derek Demore with Futures Demore and Futures Networks Live. We're here to talk about the afternoon market, the recap, and it looks like there was a rotation out of equities and stocks into the 10-year bond. And that seemed to fuel a sell-off, but it was kind of predicted, even though I completely missed it. And I'm going to eat major crow today as we go over what happened. So let's look at it. So yesterday, if we look at the dailies, we were here and I said, hey, most likely it's going to open. It went up to 28 yesterday, almost. I said 28 and a quarter, where the red line is. I thought drop down, test about 39.03, maybe all the way down to 38.95, and then zoom up and probably test the all-time highs today. Yeah. Well, it went up first, then it came down, it bounced a little, but then it just tanked. Like it went way down. So I couldn't have been as far off. I missed this by 150 points. So it's about as bad as you can get, I guess. If you're going to miss, just play it safe and miss it wrong. Be wrong all the way. So completely off on that one, but don't know if it's going to turn around or what. I do know on the 4-hour, ironically, we missed our little blue ball prediction. We were early, it came up, went around, and I hit it on the other side. So in some ways, just missed it a little bit. Let's see what about tomorrow. It looks like we might, be sustaining. We're at an S3 level. So far, we haven't had any 60-minute closes below the 38.24 24.50 area. So as long as this stays and the market turns around, we could move back up. I mean, we had such a sell-off today. I'm still thinking long. The 5-minute, let's just see right here. So on the 4-hour, it's still potentially, we closed below this internal channel line that I drew. So is 3,700 or 3680 still in the cards? Boy, I don't know. It's going to be tough to figure out, but having a nice retracement back down to 3780 might be what we need right now. So let's switch to the MNQ. There we go. I have the right charts now. Let's look at the MNQ dailies. What I notice is that we have a triple tap right at the 12,760. So if this comes back down there, don't be surprised for a little breakthrough, and I might trade that live. Let's see what's going on the 5-minute right now. We're well below all the EMAs, including the 21 period. So that's a wonderful spot at tap. So we'll see what happens on this, but I'd trade this short right now until it breaks that doji back there. So 13.13. So switching to the M2K, I noticed that the dailies are very similar to the ES-MES. We are below, channels, very similar day, maybe not quite as low, but, obviously very similar and trading it just like the MES, ES. We're quite a bit oversold. Obviously, we're at the S3. So I would say, right now, look for a turnaround. Unlike the MNQ, looks shorter, but we'll see. This is a tough position. Large candlesticks. We had like average of 9-point candlesticks on the MES, ES, which is tough to trade for many people. That's a lot of risk. So hopefully you learned something. Thanks for watching. Continue, please, to watch Futures Demore and Futures Networks Live, and we'd love to have you in. And take care. Have a great day. Thanks for listening. Bye.